Hi, in this video we will see how we can download and install Windows 11 from Microsoft's official website. So let's see how we can easily download it. And this is the installation version of Windows 11, and this is genuine version, it's not cracked. So to do this thing, at first we need to open any browser. So I'm going to open Chrome browser, but you are free to use any other browser also. So once you open the browser, basically we just need to go Google, and then we have to type like download Windows 11. We must have to type, and then we have to hit enter key, and then we'll find this type of page. So there are many links are there, but we have to go this link, Microsoft.com software download, this one, and there is a title like download Windows 11 Microsoft. We can click here, then we'll be presented in this page. So instead of going to Google searching like that, you can do another way. You can directly come to this URL and you can get the download version of Windows 11. But it's difficult to remember the link, and also if you do some mistake, there is some issue, then you need to retype. So the best option is just go Google and search by typing download Windows 11 by this term, and then you will be in this page. So here, if you check carefully, here you will see it is mentioning three options. That means there are three options below for installing or creating Windows 11 media. Okay, so there are three options. So we will see one by one, like Windows 11 installation assistant, the create Windows 11 installation media, and download Windows 11 disk image. So basically all of these three, basically this is the easiest one, and I like this one, and I'm using this for this thing for a long time. So we'll use this option to download, but you are free to use the other option. But for me, it's the easiest one, and I also found that there is no issue if I do using this method. I mean, if I install after downloading Windows 11. So now we'll use this option. So, and this option will help us basically to download the ISO image file, which is very useful for me or for other people also, so far I know, to install Windows. So here we have to choose the download option, right? So we're trying to download Windows 11, so definitely we have to choose this option, and once we click this option, then there are a couple of other options there. If we click here, basically it will give you some details like what is the CPU requirement or what is the Windows requirement, something like that. Basically there are a couple of things are there, but I don't need those things basically, so I'm going to minimize it, and then we have to press the download now, this button. Once we press this button, then it will bring this type of menu again. It will ask us the language to choose. So from here, basically if we click here, we'll find different types of language. So I'm not going to choose like any local language. I'm going to use the English United States, this language, and then again we have to press the confirm button to go to the next step. Once we press the confirm button, then it will load some other menu. Just wait, it is actually validating my request. This may take several minutes, something like that. Okay, now here it is showing like download Windows 11 English. So the language is selected, and 64-bit download, and verify your download. Basically we don't need to do this thing. Basically we can click here 64-bit download, and then we have to wait. So once we click here, basically we need to wait like few minutes, or not few minutes, basically few seconds, to bring the download basically. And if you want to expand it, you can also see that it will be something like that. It is a basically advanced mode to download those things, but we don't need this thing. The ISO file of Windows 11, it started downloading, and if we want to check, we just need to go to the browser, this download button, we just need to click here, and it will bring this type of menu, and from here basically we will see that it is downloading, and right now it is showing like 6+ GB size, and it is taking another 2 minutes to start to complete the download. For your case, it will take some more time because it depends on the internet bandwidth. My internet bandwidth is very fast, that's why it is taking less than 1 minute to 2 minutes, something like that. but be patient. And once the download is finished downloading, we have to go to the download location. For my case, the download location is the downloads folder, and if I click there, we'll see this type of thing. Right now it is downloading, that's why it's not completed successfully. Once it is downloaded successfully, you'll see here the whole file, that means Windows 11 like 64-bit something like that .iso file will be there. And that's it guys. In this way we can easily download official version of Windows 11 from Microsoft's official website. I'll give you the download link and this website URL link on the video description, so you can directly go there, and from there you can directly come to this page, and then you can start downloading this Windows 11 for your own purpose, like downloading if you want to install it for your new computer, or if you want to install it or try it on Windows 11 on virtual computer, you can do that. Thank you guys for watching the video.